Here's something founders think they are doing right. In period 9, trying to remove all risk doesn't make buyers feel safer. It makes them feel more hesitant. So let me ask you, have you noticed that guarantees and safety nets didn't speed decisions up? And have you felt that the more you try to reassure, the more cautious the buyers become? Well, let me share with you 3 reasons why you should watch this video. Well, first, because risk removal used to feel responsible. Secondly, because period 9 buyers interrupt safety very differently. And thirdly, because over-reassurance quietly undermines confidence. So if you choose to watch this video till the end, here are the 3 key takeaways. Number 1, you understand why reducing risk can backfire in period 9. Number 2, you see what buyers are actually evaluating when risk is discussed. And finally, you will know what founders must stop offering to avoid stalling decisions. And by the way, if trying to make things safe hasn't helped you lately, do stay with me because there's a reason for that. Okay, so risk, risk. Let's talk about this. What does removing risk usually look like? Well, guarantees, flexible exits, promises that nothing bad will happen. So on surface, it feels reassuring. It feels thoughtful. But period 9 changes how this lands. So why removing risk increases hesitation now? Well, you see, risk isn't what the buyers are afraid of. The buyers are afraid of poor judgment. So when founders over-focus on risk removal, buyers start wondering, why does it need so much protection? What's not being said? Instead of feeling safe, they feel something must be unstable. So what's the common mistake founders make here? Well, the founders assume that fear is the problem. So they neutralize everything. They smooth every edge. They try to eliminate discomfort. But in period 9, discomfort isn't the enemy. Ambiguity of leadership is. So buyers want to know someone can handle risk, not pretend it doesn't exist. So what must you do instead as founder? Well, you must acknowledge risk without trying to erase it. Why? Because realism builds trust. You must demonstrate judgment instead of offering protection. Why? Because judgment reassures more than guarantees. And you must let the buyers choose courage over comfort, because high-ticket decisions are never risk-free. So what must you stop doing also? Well, stop over-engineering safety nets. Too much safety signals fragility. Stop reassuring to relieve your own discomfort. Buyers feel that immediately. And stop pretending risk can be removed. The truth is, risk can only be held well. So here's the reality. In period 9, buyers do not want zero risk. They want capable leadership. And capable leadership doesn't eliminate risk. It stands calmly in front of it. So if this video explains why guarantees didn't move the deal, do trust that insight. And do follow this channel if you want more clarity about selling in period 9, as this cycle doesn't reward founders overprotect. It rewards founders like you who can hold risk without flinching. See you in my next video.